Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Holloway's Garage. Today, I'm just going to be looking at this 2008 Chevy Silverado 2500 with a 6.6 Duramax in it. I was able to get it off a Copart pretty cheap. When all was said and done, I paid like $7 grand for the thing. But I mean, it looks good. It's a Florida truck, no rust or anything. There is some pretty solid front end damage, which is what we'll jump into now. The only thing I'm worried about is I'm gonna get all this squared away. I'm looking for a bumper, fender, and a hood. But it's got 235,000 miles on it, which is really nothing for these trucks. And I mean, this truck right now, you know, and without it being wrecked, would be like a probably $20,000 truck around here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna fix it up. I'll probably use it for a while, and then if something else nice comes along, I'll sell it. But the only thing I'm worried about, when I saw the pictures, there was a puddle of trans fluid underneath of it. And I was worried about that because this thing, I don't know, I guess they ran it, and I figured the whole trans cooler or something broke on it, but it looks like it's in good shape. And the only thing I could find, the starter I ran it, is a very, very small little hole right there. So I'm just going to cut that off and shorten this line up. And hopefully that'll just get us by for now, just to make sure I can make sure the trans is good and all that. But other than that, I mean, the thing is, it's in pretty good shape, except for obviously, need a driver's fender, bumper, hood. And the windshield's busted. I need 2 airbags, probably a module. The windshield's busted, so that let water in here, so I got to deal with some white mold that's in here. But other than that, the thing, it's a pretty clean truck. Kind of looks like a kid owned it though. But it's not deleted or anything. See if it'll unlock. Won't unlock. No rust or anything. It's a Florida truck. It's actually really pretty clean. And it's still got all the emissions crap on there. So the first thing I'll probably do is maybe. So yeah, that's pretty much the plan with this thing. Not really sure what all I'm gonna have to do. I mean, obviously I'm gonna have to get it inspected and go from there. But I'm just gonna get the body all straight, get it inspected. It's extremely dry underneath. Like, there's not even a drop of oil or anything on this, which honestly I'm not very used to, because all my vehicles leak a little something. But this thing, I'm hoping it's a good buy, and then I'll probably end up selling a few of my trucks that I have laying around here and just run this thing around. But when I first got it, I started it right up. Thing started right up, and kind of sucks that it's all cloth, but I can get seat covers for it for the time being until I'm gonna keep looking for another truck on there, maybe like an LTZ or a High Country or something. And then when that time comes, then I'll end up selling this thing. But for now, I think it's a pretty solid buy. As long as I get all the parts and everything and get the hood and all that, I'll probably either try to paint it myself, or I'll have my buddy paint it. That paints, he paints boats, so might just end up having him do it. But it doesn't even look like the core support or anything like that all looks pretty straight. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look at someone else's Duramax to see LMM, just to see what the distance that fan is, just to make sure that it didn't get pushed back. But I mean, it looks like it's all pretty good. This isn't the that's not hard, so that's a good sign that there's no blown head gasket or anything like that. That's one of the big things to check for, I guess. And then I guess people will drill holes in the actually I felt like it was on loose though, so that's not good. I don't know. Looks okay. So I guess we'll see what happens with this thing. It'll be my next big project, I guess. It'd be nice to have something that I could drive the family around in and have AC in and stuff and be comfortable, and not being a big loud truck like my Cummins swapped one. I think they get tired of that after a while. But yeah, overall this thing's clean. So yep, that's about it, and I'll keep you posted. I'll show you some things I'm doing with this, and just like the fenders and all that, just simple stuff I'll be pulling off and showing you. I mean, how easy it is to fix something like this. And the big thing is really I'm just gonna cut that line short enough for now, and then get a new line for it, pour trans fluid in it, and then I should be golden. But we'll see how it goes. Alrighty, I'll keep you posted. So luckily that hole was pretty dang low on this line here. So all I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna cut it short for now. Probably cut my finger off at the same time. That'd be that way things usually go. There's that little nick right there. That's all it was, which is pretty awesome because it looks like they have a Mishimoto transcooler on this thing. There's airbags in the back, so it looks like it was owned by an old man maybe, and then that old man sold it eventually. And I ain't gonna make it right now because the bumper bracket's in the way. So I'm gonna just pull this bumper off and go from there. Hope I can't get to that bolt. Shoot. I'll just get this bumper pulled, and that's really the main thing, is to get that off of here. We'll be ready to rock.